Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you what is iCard and how you can sign up. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So iCard is a digital wallet for mobile payments and so much more. You can send money to anyone instantly and for free. You can get a free iCard Visa or upgrade to Visa Infinite. You can shop safely online with 2 free virtual cards. You can pay with your phone to any contactless POS. You can send personalized gift cards to your friends and family. And you can store all your loyalty cards at one place, your phone. And if you want to create an account, you can click on the create account. Now you have to type in your phone number. Now you will receive an SMS with a confirmation code. Now you have to create a passcode. Now if you want to turn on fingerprint access, you can do that, but you can click on the not now as well. And now you have to give your personal details. Now here I'm just clicking on the not now, and then you can see that there is this extra information section. Swipe right to learn more about your new digital wallet. Start with funding your wallet. How? Go to tab add in the navigation bar and choose one of the options to fund your account. Send money to anyone. Go to the send tab in the navigation bar and choose between a bank transfer or a free instant transfer to other iCard users. Your virtual cards await you. Find your ready to use virtual Visa and MasterCard in your wallet. To check their details, tap on the card and then the pay button. Pay fast with your phone. Press the tap and pay button and hold your phone near the contactless POS terminal for a few seconds. Get free iCard Visa. Just tap on the plus button on the iCard Visa, fill in your delivery address, and we will send it right away. And there is this upgrade to standard to unlock all features. You can upgrade now or later. So this is how you can sign up and create an account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.